Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will update how the session at the moment in Legian Bali on Lebak Bene Street. Okay guys, so if you want to know how the session right there at the moment, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how today? Yeah, I'll be fine. Okay guys, today I will update how the session at the moment in Legian Bali on Lebak Bene Street. And our journey today start from the south part on Lebak Bene until the end on Lebak Bene Street, exactly on Melasi Street. Okay, so if you want to know how the situation at the moment in Lebak Bene, Legian Bali, just make sure watch the video until the end. And our journey today start from exactly at the front, Lawalun. Let me show you around here. This is Grand Lawalun, the Legian Hotel in Legian Kuta Bali. Okay, we hope together we will see a lot of tourists in this area today. Oof. Actually, if I keep straight down over there, it's the way to go to Kuta Beach. And if I turn left, there is Benesari Street, and if I turn right, there is Lebak Bene Street. As we will make video over there today. Wah, backlight. Woohoo! Let me show you how busy Lebak Bene Street today. Very small street. Not easy to walk around in this area. The street just very narrow. You see? Very narrow. Quite hard to drive in this area. Not easy. I have to wait. You see, the rubbish. It's very sad. Bali have the problem with rubbish at the moment. We hope the government will solve the problem as soon as possible about the rubbish. Amaris Hotel. Well, future is here. That's good. It's quite busy. Wait. Well, I'm sorry because I'm moving quite fast. Wow. Maybe the quality in the camera is not really good. Sorry about that. Again, backlight. Paddy's restaurant. Pictures over there. It's good. Maybe it feels like this is better. It's very quiet, isn't it? Let's just enjoy the natural atmosphere from this area. Still pretty quiet. Amaral Legian. What do you think in this area? Also quiet, isn't it? Hello, welcome to Bali. Welcome to Bali. You have beautiful smile. Enjoy your holiday. Champlung Mas, Kay and Brooke. Maybe they're your friend. Maybe they are is your friend. Maybe. Champlung Mas Hotel. Wow. Wow, some loud music beside me. I have to talk louder than the music. But we can see together so far in this area. On Lebak Bene Street, it's really quiet, isn't it? Not so many tourists walk around on the footpath. And also there is not so many cars drive past this way, this route. Just so quiet. Bikin video, ya. Bikin YouTube, wah. Nice hotel. Not the hotel. So quiet in this area. Really sad. Okay guys, so this is our day today in Legian Bali on Lebak Bene Street. So what do you think? It's very quiet, isn't it? That's really sad. Okay guys, if you just find the channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there's a lot of people around the world. They are missing Bali and they want to know the situation at the moment in Legian Bali on Lebak Bene Street. And don't forget to do that because I will always update the new session in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Thank you very much for watching my video and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Big party. Hello. Welcome to Bali, mate. Enjoy your holiday.